Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you some beautiful side marker lights for your Ford Mustang, or like in my case the Shelby GT350. And I will put the years these fit in the description and also in the video in the subtitles, so you know exactly what this is and if it fits your car. And I think you already know because you're all car guys. Okay, so let's go look at the product and I'll show you how to put it in. And here we go. I just put it here on this little table here. And I have to tell you, this is a product from AUXITO, and AUXITO is usually packaged like this. See, they have their name on it. I can't really focus on that there, AUXITO. Now this package here came in just a plain box with, of course, my address on it and my name on it. And in that box was this, okay? And it says YZB Mustang 15 to 21, probably means 2015 to 2021, my guess. And an R, and on this side, it says rear LED side light Ford Mustang 2015 to 2021. Smoked lens, red beam 2. All right, so open that, and I already took one out to see if they work. So, but there was 2 of these in, so just imagine 2. And here's one of them. Unpack it, and here we go. This is it. Now originally I wanted a red one, but I guess this is the only ones they have smoked, but that's okay. Now I'm surprised there's no instructions on there. It's not labeled as AUXITO or anything, so I'm a little bit shocked about that. Is that good or bad? I'll leave that up to you. So I'll put the price in the description as well, and as well as the link to AUXITO, so you can go look at it and see if you decide if you want this or not. It's at QC past YG, not sure what that is. Anyways, I got an original one here because I took one out and put one in already, see how it works. This is an original one from Ford, okay? It tells you a couple more numbers on it, and there's a different sticker on this one here. Yeah, a lot code. And you can already tell there's the bulb, and when they are on, it's just this little piece that's illuminated. Okay, well these here, there's 2 LED strips in there, and they'll both be illuminated, so that's a lot better. And I think that's how they should have come from the factory when they were brand new. What do you think? I think so. There's a dot number in there. There's another number in there. Is that real? Is it not? I don't know. You know, that's the same number but different. As a Ford. It says Ford on those, and on these, of course, it doesn't say Ford. Okay, so this is how you install them. This goes in the socket for the light bulb, and then you put the whole thing, attach it in here. Now let's go look at it, and I'll show you how to release them, because that is the hard part. I don't know who engineered this, but that's the hard part. Okay, see, this side I already installed it. That's what it looks like. But the other side, I popped it out because I had such trouble to pop them out. So, see, it's popped out now. Okay, I'll show you what to do. You sit on your butt this way, so you're facing to the front of the car, and then you grab with your arm, you grab underneath here. You go in here and grab underneath, and then you should find, see, that's the thing on this side, this latch here, see that? And you press that in, and the moment you press that in, it pops out, okay? But then don't pull, because look at this here. It is stuck on the end, the rear here, so you don't want to break that little plastic tab off. So you just slide them out this way, okay? Now I'm gonna go underneath with the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm not guaranteeing this works, but you should see in here, you should have a little bit of a overview. To be very honest with you, at first I couldn't get it out. I lifted the vehicle up on this side so I can look in underneath it, and then I knew what to do. So you sit here, put your right arm underneath, and you press. And if you can't get that, you can take some needle nose pliers, and with those you pinch this in with the needle nose pliers, and it might come out. To be honest, one of them I needed pliers, the other one I just pressed backwards that way, and it popped out. You cannot pry with a pry tool and try to reach it, because look how hollow that is, so that will ruin your paint. So now the tricky thing is, I'll have to see if I can do it with one hand. You have to pull it the other way to get it out. So I'm gonna try that, and I think it's coming. Yeah, there, I got it. So okay, I pulled it out without breaking it off, and there's your bulb, and you turn this half a turn up, this, and pull it out. There you go. See, there's your bulb now, and here's the old side marker. So the new side marker, take the bulb out and we'll stick this in. Okay, so let me put the camera down for a second, and then I can do that. So sorry about this, but there's like I always say, a one-man show here, so that takes a while. Okay, bulb is out, and now that's all dirty already. Put it the right way, like this, and stick this in. Okay, in the little socket here. And I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back, and we'll try and see if it works. Okay, just open and shut your door, and you see it should come on. I have to say the quality of this here is a little flimsy. Depending on how you put that in, it turns off, and now it's just the lights turned off, so no worries. It's not the best quality product, I think, but AUXITO so far I've been very pleased with. So they seemed like a good company. It almost looks like this. They have someone else doing this for them, manufacturing from them, and I'm not sure that connector there is the best idea. So if that moves, it might. But I'll test them, and I'll put a camera by them, see if they stay on. And so we can figure out things a little bit better. Okay, so they worked just a second ago when I opened the door and closed it, so I hope they will work again. Now don't just stick it in now. You have to put this socket here in this hole and attach it the same way you do with a light bulb, and I'll do that right now. And it should look like this. And before you put it in, of course, test it again. Look how bright that is, looks good. Now the trick here is, this is a little tight, the cable, so trick is to pull it and go underneath there with this little tap and push it in. I'll try to do that while you are here, which I failed. I think I got it. I got it in half. Let me see if this still works. You can tell I don't trust it completely. I think they should still work, but it's not going anywhere. So let's push a little harder, and I think we got it. They're almost so bright they blind you. I'm sure that's, and then you push it right in. There we go. Push them in. It's nice and flush. You may not see it on camera, but it's nice and flush. See? Yeah, looks okay. Almost looks like there's a little bit of a gap here and not here, which doesn't make sense though. Why would that be? Let's go look at the other one. It doesn't make sense, but maybe when we drive it wiggles around and it will find the spot. Anyways, you know, I bought these, but I bought them for fairly inexpensive, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, it looks the same. So what I mean is, if I don't like them, I'll just put these original ones back in and done with them. So that's what I'm going to do if I don't like them. Let's open the doors. Oh, that doesn't work. Now the parking lights don't turn on when I open the passenger door. Why is that? No clue, because this door was not shut. Now they're on. Okay. There you go. There you have it. What do you think? Looks good. I like the looks of it. I'm a little bit suspicious of the quality yet. just yet, but I like the looks of it. I think it looks really good. So for the price they cost, this is probably a nice upgrade for your Mustang or your Shelby. And I think it's well worth the money. So there are other brands that offer these too, so you don't have to go with AUXITO. You can buy another brand, but worth a shot, and I think I'll like them, and I hope you do too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That helps me a lot if you subscribe, but what helps me even more is if you comment and if you like my videos. Helps the algorithm, helps my channel, and I appreciate all the nice comments I get, and I appreciate all the people that have subscribed in the past. So thank you again, and if you want to see more of the Shelby, come back, or the I'll say the Tesla. Yes, it is a Tesla, or the Explorer, or of course the Lincoln Town Car. Please come back and check back with me and see what's new. I wish you a wonderful evening, and see you all soon.